Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tonight I'm going to explain my lesson plan. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aryan Solihin. Okay. By the objective, first, the main goal is students are able to recognize, say, and use basic colors red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, black, white, and other. And the method is this achieved through digital slide display and simple speaking activities to practice correct vocabulary and pronunciation. And the second one is students' activities. The activities are designed to engage students in multiple skill recognition, identifying colors from pictures displayed on digital slides, and the matching the classroom object with the correct color based on teacher's instruction, audio or visual, singing a color song, and communication and writing, walking around the classroom to find item based on the teacher's color instructions, writing simple sentences using colors in small group, presenting their color drawing to the class using simple description. And the third is teacher's role. Teacher's role emphasizes guidance, modeling, and facilitation. Modeling like demonstrating color, vocabulary, and pronunciation. And sentence modeling, providing examples models of simple sentences using colors, and facilitation and monitoring like facilitating and monitoring pair or group activities, and the feedback like providing guidance and corrective feedback, and teach using digital slides and audio to support instruction. And the fourth is use technology serve as the main instructional aid. Digital slides containing color cards and pictures, YouTube color song, used as an interactive audio-visual resource, and projector or interactive board equipment used to display the digital material, and how teach support pedagogy teaching method. The fifth is technology helps enhance the teaching and learning process. Engagement enables visual and audio engagement for students, learning style, sports collaboration, and student-centered learning. And the modeling like provides clear modeling through multimedia. And the understanding facilitates understanding through repeated exposure. Maybe that's all from me. No. And the last is how teach support content the subject matter. Technology helps students grasp and retain the color material. Differentiation helps students visually identify and differentiate the colors, and references color vocabulary through images and around, and retention encourage better retention and comprehension, and practice allows for clear examples and simple practice opportunities. Maybe that's it from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.